In the world of driven by innovation, excellence, collaboration, client-centric approach, global perspective, one concept stands out: digital transformation. Let's check out what is digital transformation. Digital transformation refers to the process of integrating digital technologies into all aspects of a business, fundamentally changing how it operates and delivers value to customers. It involves adopting new technologies like cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and data analytics to streamline operations, enhance customer experiences, and stay competitive in the digital age. Next, let's see about digital transformation boom. Market growth projection. The global digital transformation market is expected to grow to $1,009.8 billion by 2025. Economic impact: $100 trillion to be added to the global economy by 2025 through digital transformation. Investment growth: digital transformation to nearly double from $1.8 trillion in 2022 to $2.8 trillion by 2025. Integration of AI. AI is to be integrated into 90% of new enterprise apps by 2025, according to IDC. AR and VR technology. AR and VR technology is predicted to have the fastest growth till 2025. Technology supports digital transformation. Cloud computing, artificial intelligence, AI, Internet of Things, big data analytics, mobile technology, blockchain technology, Web3, Metaverse. Industries transformed by digital transformation. Retail, banking and finance, healthcare, manufacturing, education, transportation and logistics. Big brands like Amazon transforming industries through digital disruption. Amazon is a prime example of a company that has revolutionized multiple industries through digital transformation. Originally an online bookstore, Amazon has evolved into the world's largest online retailer, offering various products and services, including e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. Challenges of integrating digital transformation. Resistance to change. People don't like to change their old ways. Legacy systems. Old technology might not work with new technology. Cybersecurity risks. Hackers might try to steal information. Skill gaps. People might not know how to use new technology. Data management. There's too much data, and it's hard to organize. Scalability. Technology might need to be able to handle more work. Cultural shift. People might not want to change the way they do things. It's hard to use new technology in a business, but it's important to try. What do we do, and how we work? We harness the power of digital transformation to modernize industries. We use the latest tech to upgrade businesses for success in today's digital world. From blockchain for safe transactions to AI automation for better efficiency, we offer top-notch solutions. We focus on security, speed, flexibility, and teamwork to help clients thrive. With us, businesses stay ahead with future-proof strategies and great digital experiences. Are you interested in knowing who we are? Bitdeal is a seasoned digital transformation company, delivering top-tier business solutions globally for over 15 years. From start to finish, we cater to all your business needs with precision and innovation. Know our remarkable journey. We're on our 9th year. It's been quite a journey, but it feels like we're just getting started. Initially, we started our journey in 2015 with a focus on cryptocurrency exchange development. And then in 2016, we've been at the forefront of blockchain development, offering comprehensive solutions. In 2017, we delved into DeFi, providing pioneering solutions for this emerging sector. By 2018, we expanded into NFT development as these tokens gained popularity. In 2020, we recognized the demand for digital assets, adding token development to our services. And in 2022 and 2023, we embraced Web3 and the Metaverse, providing cutting-edge solutions for these exciting new paradigms, including blockchain-based gaming solutions. What's new for 2024? Now, in 2024, we're stepping up our game with enhanced AI and cybersecurity solutions to protect your data, seamless cloud computing for easy file access from anywhere, and exciting AR/VR development for immersive experiences. And we're not stopping there. Stay tuned for more innovations to make your digital life even better. Industries we serve: finance and banking, healthcare, retail and e-commerce, manufacturing, telecommunications, transportation and logistics, education, hospitality and tourism. Our digital transformation solutions: blockchain solutions, Web3 solutions, token development, Metaverse solutions, gaming solutions, AI solutions. How do we turn your idea into reality? We start by understanding your goals and requirements. Our experts analyze your needs and propose tailored solutions. Through close collaboration, we refine and optimize your idea, bringing it to life. With meticulous planning and execution, we ensure a seamless launch and provide ongoing support. Get digitally transformed with Bitdeal. Contact us today to start your journey towards innovation and growth.